Setting up early direct deposit with Green Dot is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. If you don't already have a Green Dot account, you will need to sign up for one. You can do this by purchasing a Green Dot prepaid card from a participating retailer or by signing up for a Green Dot bank account online. If you have purchased a Green Dot prepaid card, you will need to activate it online or through the Green Dot mobile app. Follow the instructions provided with your card to complete the activation process. Once your Green Dot account is active, you can enroll in direct deposit. This typically involves providing your employer with your Green Dot account and routing numbers, which can be found in the Green Dot app or by logging into your account online. Green Dot may offer early direct deposit to certain account holders, allowing you to receive your paycheck up to 2 days earlier than your scheduled payday. Check with Green Dot to verify if you're eligible for this feature. To stay informed about when your direct deposit becomes available, consider setting up alerts to the Green Dot mobile app or website. You can receive notifications when funds are deposited into your account. Even with early direct deposit, the exact timing of when your funds become available can vary depending on factors such as your employer's payroll processing schedule and Green Dot's policies. Check your account regularly to confirm when your funds are available for use. Once your direct deposit is set up, you can use your Green Dot account to manage your finances, pay bills, make purchases, and more.